Alright guys, so it's 5 a.m. early as shit, and I'm headed to the gym. We're gonna do fasted cardio this morning. I gotta come back. I got a bunch of work to do today, and then after that we'll head back to the gym for a weight training session. So this is day 5 back on keto. Feeling pretty good so far. We'll see how it goes.
What are you doing? Give it. Give me it.
All right, guys, we are back. Just got back from the gym. 45 minutes of cardio. Typically do not do fasted cardio. Typically don't work out fasted at all, but I want to give it a try, just kind of see how I feel about it, and also kind of use it to help get me up and get me going in the morning. I'm not a morning person, so getting up at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning is just not a fun experience for me. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a try, see how it works out, and go from there. Another thing that I did this morning, I cannot walk at the gym, run at the gym. I can't do cardio at the gym. It just bores the shit out of me. Normally after like 15 minutes of cardio, I'm done. I'm bored. I'm not tired. I'm just bored. What I did this morning though is there's a bunch of podcasts I listen to, and but what I did this morning was actually put on one of those podcasts. I got through 2 episodes and did 45 minutes, and probably realistically could have done more, but I had to get home. I got work to do, so. Give it a shot. If you're struggling with cardio, maybe throw on a podcast instead of listening to music or instead of watching TV, or maybe watch some YouTube videos. Maybe subscribe below, watch my YouTube videos. Just a suggestion. Hey guys, what's up? It's about 12:30 now. I'm pretty hungry, so gonna grab some lunch. I think we're gonna have salad today. All right, guys, there we have it. So we got baby spinach, chicken, avocado, some bacon, cheese, pepperoni, a little bit of ranch dressing, olive oil, and I threw some hot sauce in there too because I can. So again, macros, bottom of the screen. So I'm gonna eat this lunch, finish up some work. I'll check in with you guys when we head back to the gym. All right, guys, what is up? It's like 4 o'clock and it is like 75 degrees out in February in Ohio. That doesn't happen. So I actually took a break from work. I'm out here getting the battery out of this bike so I can take it, get a replacement. It's dead as shit because I want to ride this weekend. If you guys ride, post below, comment below, let me know what you got. This is a 2010 Kawasaki Z1000, so let me know. Slight change of plans. The battery's out of the bike. I've got to take that and get a new one hopefully tonight. If not tonight, tomorrow morning we'll finish that up. And then my girlfriend's actually got a bachelorette party or something this weekend. So I'm actually taking her downtown Cincinnati. Now waiting for her to get in the car. So we're headed downtown, headed back home. Gym, more food, hopefully a motorcycle battery. Exciting day. All right, guys, it is now 10 p.m. and we are finally back at the gym for session 2. Picked up the battery for the bike. It is charging right now, so we'll install that tomorrow. Don't know if I'll do a vlog tomorrow, but we'll see. If we do, it'll be in there. So we're at the gym. It's 10 o'clock. I'm exhausted, but I had to fit it in. We're doing chest and triceps today, which now that I think about it is what I did in the last vlog video. So I'll have to change that up. I promise I don't do chest and triceps every day. So we're gonna go hit that. Then we're gonna go home. I've got to pick up some stuff from dinner, actually on the way home, and go home, have dinner. And then hopefully the day's done. Although I'll have some editing to do. So, yeah, we'll see what kind of footage we can get at the gym and see if we can get a good workout in. So. Alright guys, finally back from the gym. It's only 11:30. It's finally time for dinner. Gonna have some leftover bacon meatloaf, some avocado, some broccoli. So let's get to making it so I can finish this day up and get the fuck to bed. So there you go, guys. That is the final concoction. So we got a beef meatloaf. It's got bacon in there, some cheddar cheese, some spinach, and then we've got the avocado broccoli mash. Of course, sriracha Frank's on top because I like my shit hot. And that's that, guys. Again, macros down here somewhere. Macros at the bottom. The meatloaf looks better when it's fresh, but you get the idea. So, hope you enjoyed this one. Again, guys, if you want to see more recipes, more of what I'm eating now that I'm on keto, any tips, tricks, whatever we learn as we go through this, let me know. Comment below. If you've got some recipes you want to share with me, that would be awesome. I'd love to cook them, love to try them. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this, and then we'll go from there.